Tumahi Pranas Sare Vande Mataram. Our great patriotic writer Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay has written above in Anand Mat novel. It means you are embodiment of wisdom, virtues, love and essence of everything. You are certainly the life force in our bodies. I bow down to the motherland. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. As Pushpa-san was mentioning, this time Independence Day has come after a Corona wave 2. The wave 2 has taught us a value of life, especially things which we took granted. I thank our team members, Corona warriors, who in true meaning served the nation like an army men on border, as Pushpa-san was mentioning. I wholeheartedly thank Sakarites for the service they have done without losing the empathy towards the patients. Although India is one of the top countries to have more corona deaths, in spite of less beds to patient ratio, we as a nation tackled corona effectively. We took pride in bringing our own vaccination and so far vaccinated 53 lakhs of people. We started believing in self after a long history of suppression by our physically and psychologically by our invaders. Our glorious past is not like other countries having jungle nomads, but cultured people in cities like Varanasi, Madurai and Ujjain. We don't need historians, especially Westerns, to tell our past, as our past is being engraved in stories of our world-class temples like Bradeshwara Temple, Kailash Temple or Channakeshwar Temple. Even after ruins of Hampi, it looks beautiful. Just imagine the times when it was in its full glory. In the past, we had world-class universities like Takshashila, Nalanda, where people from abroad used to come for studies. We must modernize our current universities like IITs, Indian Institute of Management, to attract the people to come for study and stop brain drain, which is happening. We have given this word great scientists like Aryabhatta, who for astronomy, mathematics, Sushruta and Charaka for medicine, Patanjali for the yoga. Our current establishments like ISRO, DRDO are the examples of efforts to produce the world-class scientists like Abdul Kalam, Tessie Thomas or Raja Ramanna. Prosthesis is described in Rig Veda. Evolution of process is described in Vishnu Purana. Even test tube babies are described in Mahabharata. Our clinicians and nurses are well in demand across the globe. Although Indian immigrants are only 6% of total population in US, around 9% of the physicians are Indians in US. Our Indus Valley civilization, which is 8,000-year-old cities, contain well-organized waste water drainage, trash collection, public gardens. We must create a model cities, towns and villages across India. Nanak ji, Kabir, Tulsidas, Ganeshwar ji, Basveshwar are always taught the common people to uphold the right dharma and conveyed that there is one truth and we have to describe in a different way. In spite of many invasions, we still practice our dharma, practice as mentioned, and have upheld our identity. Our modern heroes like Swami Vivekananda has enlightened about our country to the Western world. We as a country has given numerous national heroes who laid their life for the country, be it Rana Pratap, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar or Azad, or to a recent in Kargil war, Vikram Batra. Let us take a great pride in our past and learn from the mistakes we have done and move with a confident stride towards the Naya Bharat. I would request everybody who is here should contribute in their own way whatever they are doing with a passion to the pride so that we can contribute our little to the nation. So with this I would like to conclude. Bolo Bharat Mata ki. Thank you.